Hello everybody. Well, I'm already finished my coffee. I was watching everybody's videos, so I finished my coffee while I was doing that, which is okay. It's 25 degrees and mainly sunny out there. It hasn't been cloudy since I got home, so that's cool. Yes, I was watching everybody's videos. It was fun. It was fun. Lots of people having different things happening. I've actually got some hip pain occasionally, but I don't think it's arthritis. My hip pain, I don't think that's arthritis, because I do lots of walking, and I think it's strain from shoes and unlevelness, probably because I'm off balance. I'm unbalanced. That's why I have hip pain. So I do stretches in the morning to sort of combat that. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not good. So sometimes when I'm walking, I feel my hips, and then other times it's like wonderful. Who knows? I don't know. I have orthotics. I mean, issues with orthotics, yeah. Not great. So I was watching Banana Joe's video about the planes taking off and landing, and I just love being in planes, and the takeoff is one of my favorite times, and landing is one of my favorite times. I believe I've mentioned that. I love takeoffs and landings. It's absolutely the favorite part of the plane ride. Ooh, who cares about flying? Okay, you can look down and see fun things, but the excitement of the takeoff and of the landing, I love that. I guess I'm just weird. As I've said, I'm just weird. Not very level. Even though I am the scales, I'm a Libra, and I'm supposed to be even and fair and level. I don't think so. So that was cool, watching that. And hearing the sound of airplanes. I love airplanes. Even though these were just small planes, a small local airport, Salt Spring Island.
Maybe
I love that.
He's pissed off because he doesn't get fed on demand the way they do.
Probably, yes, probably.
And he's doing it for revenge.
Could be.
Oh, you're recording?
Yes, I am.
Right now?
Yep.
Oh, God.
Okay. Yes. My husband doesn't really want to be in my videos. But what the heck? If he's going to interrupt me, he's going to be in a video. Who gives a shit? Yes, so yes, I love taking off and landing in airplanes. I really don't know why. I really have no idea why. I usually don't like centrifugal force type feelings, like rides that involve that, but the takeoff and the landing, I love that feeling. I also love the sound of the ocean on the beach, where the waves are lapping against the beach. That is a really nice sound, as opposed to a river rushing by or going by. We stayed in a motel once in the Gaspé area, and I couldn't sleep all night because we had to open the windows because it was so hot and humid. There was no air conditioning, and you heard the river or the brook outside the window rushing by all night, and it drove me crazy. I couldn't sleep. So waves lapping on a beach are one thing, but a river going by all night long, no. Again, who knows what the logic is there. There must be one. I'm obviously not investigating it deeply enough, but I don't really like those sounds as opposed to the other sounds. And I got some mail today. my vehicle license plate renewal application. Yes. So I have 2 cars. Both cars are in my name because they're both cars that I have driven at one point or another. So my birthday is coming up sometime in the next, half year or so. And we'll need licenses. So the one needs a drive clean emission test and the other one doesn't. Probably the one that I drive had the drive clean emission test done last year, and so it doesn't need it this year. I'm not sure. And then the one my husband drives right now needs drive clean emission test. He said that my car, in a short time, I think when I believe my car is 14 years old. So he said when it gets to be 15, it's called vintage and no longer needs a drive clean emission test. Why is that? If the car is that old, it's just allowed to pollute all it wants to. I don't know. It doesn't make sense. But apparently that's the logic. 15-year-old car, why even try to not pollute? You can't. I don't think that makes sense. Anyway, I don't know what you can do to make it. And you can change things like mufflers and then stuff like that. So why shouldn't you have to? Maybe Joe or Mr. Frozen Canuck would have an inkling as to why it is that a vintage car does not need to have a drive clean emission test. I don't know. Anyway, it's beautiful out there. What did I say? 25 degrees. Does it have a feels like? No, because there's no humidity. It's breezy as anything. Really nice. So it'll be wonderful for a walk. Sunshine and breeze in 25 degrees. Good. Really nice. I was going to say something else, but now I forgot. I got so excited about the walking. Yeah. Okay. Whatever. That's it. My husband is doing more tiling in the bathroom, which is why I have not posted. Well, I suppose I already did a video about my bathroom and laundry room. He's doing the backsplash, a backsplash around the laundry sink. So that's the current project. Anyway, out to go for a walk. All right.